Virgin Media Hub Wi-Fi Setup and Installation Guide. Step 1. Connect a coax or fiber cable. Connect a Virgin Media cable from the wall socket to the hub. Hand tighten the connector and make sure the cable is secure, but don't over tighten it necessarily. The wall socket may vary depending on whether you have cable or full fiber service. Step 2. Connect the power adapter. Plug the power adapter into the hub, connect it to a power outlet, and turn the hub on if your model has a power switch. The hub will begin its startup sequence. Third, wait for the hub to activate. During startup, the light may flash various colors. The process can take several minutes, and wait until the status light becomes solid and stable. Don't unplug the hub while it's still activating. Step 4. Find your Wi-Fi details. You'll find Wi-Fi network name, Wi-Fi password, router login details. Just look for the sticker on the bottom or back of the hub. Step 5. Connect your devices. On your phone, tablet or computer, open Wi-Fi settings, select the network name printed on the hub, and you should now have internet access. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.